Hi everyone, this is Dr. Prerna, and in this video I'll tell you 5 yoga asanas for constipation, and you can practice these asanas along with me. So let's get started with number 1, which is Malasana.
Come in a standing position. Feet should be mat width apart. Bend your knees and lower your butt towards the floor to take your upper arms inside your knees and bend the elbows to bring the palms together into Namaskara.
Next asana which we will do is Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana, it helps in strengthening your spine and it decreases stress and anxiety, and it is really good for your abdominal organs also.
Lie down on your stomach, legs together, hands beside your chest. Now slowly raise your trunk and head supported by your palms. Bend your arms at the elbow, arch your back and look upwards.
Next asana which we will practice is Baddhakonasana. Baddhakonasana, it is great for your ovaries and also it helps in reducing stress and anxiety.
Bring the soles of the feet together. Keep your back straight and hold your feet together. Now move your knees up and down. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs and relax your shoulder.
Next asana is Adhomukhashwanasana. This asana is great for your digestion. It helps in relaxing your GI tract and also it relieves indigestion.
Come on your knees and hands, knees under your hips and arms under your shoulders. Curl your toes under and bring the knees off the mat. Press your palms down to the floor, hips up towards the ceiling. Try to straighten and lengthen your back. Don't keep your feet too far away or too close. Find the right distance. Don't worry if the heels don't touch the floor. Just maintain wherever you are and look back at your knees or navel.
Next asana which we will do is Balasana. Balasana helps in increasing the blood flow to your abdominal organs and also helps in contracting your abdominal organs.
Come on your knees and hands with your toes together and your knees hip width apart. Exhale and lower the hips and fall forwards, forehead on the floor. Arms should be stretched out in the front and palms facing downwards.